Like this, there are many more customizations which can be achieved using JavaScript coding, and we can place all those code, a piece of code, in a particular file called sitemods.js. Now let's see a few small examples like validations, like a field should be only numbers with decimals. Now in USD r11.2, if you create a field for storing numbers, you can select integer. Now what's the problem by using a field of type integer? If you enter 1.1 or 1.2, at the database level it's going to just be saved as 1. So what it does is that it strips all the values beyond the decimal point. Why? Because it's an integer type. But using JavaScript, we can store values or numbers of decimal type. For example, if I click on my, say, I would like to see a network resources configuration items, click on search and click on the COM disk. There's only one configuration items in my system. Now this value is 12.32. Now you can't save a number with decimals in ServiceDesk. That's just out of the box. All you can do is that make it type of string. Then if you make it kind of a string, then the problem is that you can enter characters also, like A, B, C, D, or special characters too. And if you make it only int, then you won't be able to enter values beyond the decimal point. Even decimal won't work. For example, if I make it 12.78 and click on save, bingo, 12.67, it's getting stored. What if I try to enter a character, like I'm trying to enter D, B, C, all these special characters, but it's not taking. If I try to enter any number like 1.23.5 and click on save, it hits it. It takes this particular value 123.6. And then we can do other validations. For example, email addresses. Like if you click a new contact, try to create a new contact, and click on the email address like anything and select this. This is a garbage email address, it's not a valid one, but I'll get this validation, check email address. So what it will make me do is that I'll have to enter a proper email address. That's my email address, and hence it has accepted it. So there are many more JavaScript validations, like we can check a length of a string, we can check whether a particular value sits in a particular requirement, like it should begin with A, end with C, or something like that, like it should begin with a number and end with a character. So there are many more validations and many more customizations which can be achieved using JavaScript, and these all files reside in this particular magic file called sitemods.js.